GPS every day is the brain of the rest of the systems, because the GPS have the information related with the location, the location with respect to the satellites, the location with respect to other elements, to other objects. This is critical. This is critical to calculate everything. For example, in your cell phone, without the GPS, it's not possible to use the majority of the functions that you have in your GPS. Those functions depend on the GPS. Depends where is you located in that moment, in that specific moment. And this angle is 7 degrees. And this latitude is 7 degrees north. Let me pass other parallel to the equator, 7 degrees in the bottom. 7 degrees here in the bottom. This latitude is 7 degrees south, because this is the south pole and this is the north pole. This is 7 degrees and 7 degrees. This is north and this is south. What about this one? This latitude. This latitude, let me check. The angle here is 78 degrees. This latitude is 78 degrees north. What about this one in the bottom? This one in the bottom is 78 degrees. Is 78 degrees south. Depending of the separation from the equator. How it's separated. Do you remember that in order to calculate this latitude, you send a radius here and you calculate this angle? In order to convert any latitude in degrees, minutes, and seconds, this is the procedure. 1 degree of latitude is approximated 69 miles. 1 minute of latitude is approximated 115 miles. And 1 second of latitude is approximated 0.02 miles. 1 degree, 69 miles. 1 second, 1 minute, 115 miles. And 1 second, 0.02 miles. I need divided the total distance into degrees, minutes, and seconds according with this. 1 degree is equivalent to 69 miles. 1 minute is equivalent to 115 miles, and 1 second is equivalent to 0.02 miles. In other words, without the GPS, the autopilot is not working, because all the information, all of the calculations today in the computer are based on from information from the GPS. 20 years ago, the computer depends directly from the compass. Now, today, the compass is a good reference, but the GPS provides the precision, the precise information in order to operate the autopilot perfectly. Okay. If you check, this is the keel. This is the keel of the boat, and you see you have a hole here. This is the keel. This is the keel, and the water circulates here in order to be drained through the bilge pump. And look at this. This is the center of the boat, and this is the bottom of the boat, because this is the keel of the boat. Alright, in this area should be located the float gate, and the float gate should be located vertical. The arrow here, like the arrow that you have on the screen, should be located pointed up. Okay, in this area, you don't have any AC power cables, you don't have any lighting protection cables, you don't have any antenna cable. This is not good. This is the enemy of those elements is the electromagnetic interference. For that reason, the compass should be located in the cabin, never in the engine room. The block of the engine, the block of the generators, the back end of the generators, the battery chargers, the inverters, those elements produce excessive electromagnetic interference. Also, the compass should be separated from air conditioning equipment. Okay, first step when you install an autopilot system, check your power steering system. How is your power steering system? Verify if you have a reservoir. If you don't have reservoir, my recommendation is install a reservoir. The procedure is in series. You need cut the line. Originally, those lines port and starboard are connected here on the port and starboard side of the cylinder. This is the steering cylinder. Okay, you cut it, you remove those lines over there, and right now those lines enter in the input of the reservoir. After that, you fabricate 2 additional lines to enter into the power assisted unit. And after that, 2 new lines to enter in each side port and starboard of the actuator. The rudder sensor should be connected in the position rudder according with the color codes. And the heating sensor should be located in the center of the boat, in the lowest part of the boat, in a dry area, pointed up. It should be located vertical because remember, inside of the sensor you have the gyroscope, and the gyroscope should be pointed down all the time. And this one should be connected in the position flow scale directly according with the color codes on the computer.